So here is the catch. When you are using any switch word, you can actually test whether that switch word can benefit you or not, whether that switch word is meant for you or not, and that switch word can be practiced by you or not. Are you able to connect with that switch word? So there is a quick muscle test which can help you to understand that if that particular switch word or switch word phrase helps you for your better being or your improvement or whatever you want to achieve in your life with that switch word, particular switch word. So here is the muscle test which will help you to know that. Hi, I am Vishakha, counselor, healer, and a life coach. So whichever is the switch word, you can hold your finger like this and lock this finger into this finger. Now what you have to do, you have to see, lock your fingers like this. This is a muscle test which will tell you whether that switch word is made for you or not. Okay, so hold your fingers like this, say the switch word and pull your finger like this. Okay, if the switch word is not meant for you, then the fingers will pull off like this. And if the switch word is meant for you, then the muscle test that you are taking would pass. Okay, so you will pass the muscle test and then you will understand that the switch word is made for you. So when you are going to pull like this while saying that switch word, the lock won't open. The moment lock opens, the switch word is not meant for you. So we will test we will do the muscle test for the switch word together. It is a universal switch word. So let us try doing the muscle test for together word. Let us see whether together is meant for me or not. Okay. Together, 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 together. So yes, it is not like it is actually meant for me. Let us do one muscle test for you to understand that how it works. So here my name is Vishakha and I will say that my name is Sunita. Let us see if the lock opens or not. Okay. So here I am holding the fingers, locking the fingers here. See if you can see here, tight. And I will say my name is Sunita and I'll pull the fingers off. My name is Sunita. See, the fingers came out, the lock opened. Because my name is Vishakha and not Sunita, it is a lie and my body understands that I am not Sunita, I am Vishakha. Let us see and test whether it passes for my name is Vishakha. My name is Vishakha. See, it is still locked because my body knows that it is meant for me. It is my identity. So it will never pass. Sorry, it will never fail. So this is a very easy technique to understand about anything, whether that thing is made for you, meant for you or not. So whenever you are trying to use any switch word by EFT tapping, so first do the muscle test. Okay, there are different types of muscle tests. I'll keep on telling you in further reels. Even in life, when you feel stuck and you are not able to take any decisions, hold the fingers, ask the question to yourself and do the muscle test. If that thing is made for you, your body and brain is actually in sync with that particular thing, then the lock would not open. If it is not in sync with that particular thing, then lock would easily open. See, it will open like this. It will happen automatically. You can try it with me. So here I'm going to give you switch word for stopping the procrastination and uplifting your mood. And the switch word is Mona Lisa and do now. So do now would be used for stopping the procrastination and Mona Lisa is used to uplift your mood. So we will say in a consecutive manner, do now Mona Lisa, 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 and release. Do this for 5 minutes morning and at night to remove procrastination and to improve and to uplift your mood. You'll definitely see a lot of change immediately. If you do it for 5 minutes continuously, the tapping and saying do now Mona Lisa, you will immediately see the change and gradually you will see that you have stopped the procrastination in your life. First of all, do the muscle test and then you can try using this switch word. One more thing, when you want to try achieve something and you want a specific switch word for yourself, specific for you, then here is a secret and a technique how to identify what is your specific switch word. So when say for example you are trying to achieve weight loss, okay, and you want to have a particular switch word for yourself customized for weight loss. So how to know that? Close your eyes, imagine that you are having a weight loss and believe in your intuition. Whatever word at the first moment comes in your brain is your switch word. So while I was imagining my weight loss journey and I closed my eyes, the word for me was loss. Okay, that was my switch word. And now I will see with muscle test in front of you whether that particular switch word is made for me or not. Let us do it. Loss, 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 loss. Okay, so it is saying it is not made for me. Okay, so I'll have to see it again with different experimentation of different word whether that particular switch word phrase can work for me or not. Okay, so let me get another word for me for weight loss. Lose weight. Okay, that is my word. Let us see by muscle test whether it is working for me or not. Lose weight, lose weight, lose weight, lose weight. Okay, so this is the word. I think this is the word for me for as which can work as a switch word for me for weight loss. So this is how the muscle test is done, and you can have your own customized switch word and then try practice it with EFT for next 21 days or 60 days with 5 minutes tapping in the morning, 5 minutes tapping in the evening. You will definitely see the results. It's magical, guys. So I have told you the secret of knowing the switch word, customized switch word for you. Share with all your loved ones so they also know that how to find your own customized switch word. You have got the magic today in your hand. So use it wisely, use it for your improvement and evolution. God bless you all. Happy healing.